Amiga 3000. Let's turn it on. Okay, the SCSI drive starts. And it's on the screen. The keyboard is a little bit yellow and ugly, but the 3000 is very nice. Yeah, workbench. Okay, loaded from the SCSI drive. And we have the Gotek here. So the Gotek is DF0 and the floppy is DF1. So we're putting in the floppy here. You see the screen? Yeah, it's loaded. This is disk with workbench 3.1. Okay, and also we can copy something over from the floppy to, yeah, let's put it into the RAM disk. RAM disk is always nice on Amiga. Putting this over. So it's copying. There it is. Yeah. And the Gotek drive. We just need this USB. I have it here. So, and it's so nice to have the Gotek in front here in the Amiga 3000. It's so nice to see the buttons here. So nice to use, but it's like, so they're coming out very nicely. So it's great to use. So 0 on the Gotek. If you go all the way back there, you get like the F manager. So if we start that one, then we will get the Gotek menu and select to the slots there, because yeah, pressing the help key you can see all the functionality, or yeah, what you can do here. So anyway, if you just put in, let's say, a game, if you press F7, then it's saving the selection to the first slot, and it will boot directly from what you selected. So it's loading the game, and I'm holding the camera, so it's a little bit difficult to play, but anyway, we will manage to start the game. So, oh, it's no sound. I have to put on the speaker like this. Speed up, yeah. Yes, very difficult to play with one hand. Oops. Yes. So if you turn off the computer now and start again, it will load the game, but and also this, of course, with the Gotek drive you can copy from the Gotek drive, from the EDF files to the hard disk, and from the floppy, the EDF you can also make, of course, floppy drives if you like. It's like 3 different drives in here. It's like the SCSI drive, the Gotek drive, and a normal floppy drive. So, like with the game we played now, you see, this is showing up from the Gotek drive here now. The tiniest, you see it here. It's yeah. And what is nice with the 3000, because it's got this scan doubler, so you can use any monitor, CRT monitor like PC. This is just a normal PC monitor. It's working great. Of course, you see the camera cannot handle the 50 Hz, so you see like this stripe coming here once in a while, but it's not like that for real. Anyway, let's start something from the hard disk. Demos are cool. Scene productions. Hymn to Hipparchus. Ran. This demo I just copy over from the Gotek drive. So now it's on the hard disk. Pressing the left mouse button and quitting the demo, and yeah, you see, everything is working nice. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.